Alright, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. I will be speaking about Kido Taylor-Hart today. The 19-year-old prolific winger basically played right across the ring, left, right, and even striker. You can put him in the attacking midfield position. He's that versatile. Now, why would I want to discuss Kido Taylor-Hart? As you know, he's of Jamaican descent. Now, let me get the exact date. On the 2nd of February 2012, on the 12th of February 2022, Kido Taylor-Hart was in Jamaica. Most people don't know what he came about. Most people don't have the clue. Slightest idea. Could be just normal journey. But what I do know for a fact that he will be back. Now, what will he be back for? I'm not sure. He said he will be back. That's what he told me. I'm not sure. But anyways, before we get into the details, people, before we get into the details of the video, what I really appreciate it if you guys do is smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. As you know, I recently hit 11,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it for all the persons who have been here since day one on the channel and helping the channel out, so people continue the good work. And if you're here for the first time, I would really appreciate it if you join the happy gang, the military squad, by hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and share the content if you do, please. So let's get into the details. Let's first show this. So as you can see, Kido Taylor-Hart in Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. This picture was taken at the AC Hotel. AC Hotel. Maybe about 500 or 600. Could I put 500, 600? Maybe about 3 minutes drive away from the Jamaica Football Federation headquarters. 5 minutes or less. Could be less. That's because it's New Kingston. 5 minutes or less. He was 5 minutes or less from the Jamaica football. What was the reason for him to be in Jamaica? He was on holiday, took some time off, went a few places. He went to Ochi, Negril, a few of the hot spots in Jamaica as well. I was following his timeline, and he did say he enjoyed himself in Jamaica, and he will be back. And I believe it's not his first. It's not his first. He has been here a few times. Such same as I think like Maitland Niles. There's so much guys, so much of these players who have been here on a regular basis. But apart from that, I want to show you guys this. So as you can see right here, the Jamaican flag on his IG post. The Jamaican flag on his IG post. You see the Jamaican flag on his IG post. Let's also look at his Twitter. The Jamaican flag. Britain and Jamaica played for Arsenal Premier Sports T1 office, premiersportstalent.com. That is Kido Taylor-Hart, IG and Twitter. No, why am I highlighting this? In recent activity, now this is the bad news. In recent activity, he has unfollowed the JFF. This is after coming back. Coming back to arriving back in London. He unfollowed the JFF because he was following the JFF. But he was also following the English FA. No, the problem is this now. It can raise some concern that was he in Jamaica for negotiations? Was he in Jamaica for negotiations? Well, according to information, yes, he was. According to information. According. But there's still other aspects of things to confirm. So I won't say that I said. Please don't say that I said. Just a little birdie came to me and said, okay, this situation that happened, they had talks. But why would he unfollow the JFF? People are gonna say, was he following the JFF in the first place? Yes, people, he was. I'm sorry that I didn't get any pictures of him when he was following the JFF. I do apologize for that. But yes, he was. He's not even following the English Football FA. He's not following any one of them. So basically, he left his door open. Whosoever decided they want to come and knock is granted. Now, my problem is this now. We have the Under 20 championships coming up. Ooh. So, is this the time for the JFF act upon this player? This is a player, is a formidable player, people. I'm talking about a talented, a really, really talented player. A player who's playing with, who's training with Arsenal first team, got Arsenal first team appearances as well. Is breaking stones, how should I call it now? He's doing stuff. He's doing a lot of stuff in the under 23s for Arsenal. They had to move him away from, and basically I think they're gonna loan him out now because he's actually too good to be playing in the under 23s. He's definitely too good to be playing in the under 23s at this moment. So they will be looking to send him out to get some more experienced football, because they can't have him in under 23s and basically walking around the under 23 players. So they will be sending him out to get some more experience. Now, let's have a look at this now. Under 20 coming up. 19-year-old, under 20 coming up. Is this the perfect time for the JFF to act upon their initiative, if they do have initiative, and get this player in immediately, and let's see if he can represent us, and let's see what he does in the under 20 championship, CONCACAF championship. I do think so. I'm advocating for this player to come in right now. Right now. This player loves Jamaica. He loves, I'm telling the people, I am not asking. I know this for a fact that he loves Jamaica. And his doors are open in representing Jamaica. I'm telling you, he told me directly that he's coming back in the summer. So, what are the JFF going to do about that? It's all on the doorstep of the JFF. What will they do about that? So, we'll see. This is now the perfect time. The championship dates are set. All of these things are already put in place by CONCACAF. It is now down to every federation to sort out their teams by picking their best players, by sorting out things. And what is so important, I'll be doing another video on the importance, people, of this under 20 championship going forward. And there will be some key things that I'll be looking at with this under 20 championship going forward. This under 20 championship will highlight JFF either shortcomings or their plan to go for plans for the future. Because if, as fans, we don't see the right things being put in place, I do think that this will cause major problem. But will we see Kido Taylor-Hart in the Reggae Boyz colours for the under 20 CONCACAF championships? Will we see, let me say it again, will we see Kido Taylor-Hart in the Reggae Boyz colours for the Jamaica Jamaica in the CONCACAF under 20 championship? Will we see? I don't know. What do you think? You think it's possible? Do you think that JFF will act on this one? Put it in the comment section and tell me what you think. Also, in the meantime, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, people. As you know, Military Gunner TV, this has been a good one. Until next time, I'll be doing a video on the importance of the under 20 championship. I will see you guys again. I'm out. Bye-bye.